Next in our Indital cable course, we'll be discussing the crimping tool. This is the suggested 14-ton crimping tool for this application. We'll be using the 7.7 die. These come with standard die sizes of 7.5, 7.75, 8.10, 9.15, and 10.25 millimeters. The anatomy that you need to be paying attention to is the hydraulic ram, the release lever, the arm, and the chamber where the die will be located. As you can see, I've dislodged the die so you can better understand how to insert them and what to be looking for. For the more advanced installer, we suggest the 7.5 die. However, the 7.75 is more than sufficient, and will hold the tension of the cable without slipping upon doing so correctly. If the 7.5 is overused or done in excess, it can cause the crimping tool to leak oil. Now that the die are inserted, make note of the die sizings needed are facing each other. This is how we know we have them in the correct position. When we are ready to crimp down on the terminal, we look to position and responsive crimping tool. Upon completion, it will click alerting the installer that the crimp is complete. We look that the crimp is located at the end of the terminal for aesthetics and for area force applied on the cable. If done correctly, the terminal will have a clean aesthetic crimp at the end of the terminal, much like this.